The best double boilers for healthy cooking. If you wish to cook various sauces and other recipes more efficiently, we have created a list of the best double boilers to upgrade your kitchen. A double boiler helps to make yummy meals and sauces. It helps to cook slow-stir ingredients without burning them. So, if you want to melt chocolate or cheese, or steam vegetables, a double boiler can come in handy. Once you use a double boiler, you may never want to use makeshift boilers again. While the double boilers have heat-resistant handles, it is advised to use oven mitts or potholders to avoid thermal burns. With various sizes available, choosing the right double boiler may be challenging. So, watch on to learn more about the available products to find one that suits your needs. Number 1. Best Stainless Steel. Cook & Home 2 Quarts Double Boiler. Cook & Home's 2-quart silver double boiler is a versatile kitchen appliance that makes cooking delicate dishes a breeze. It is made of stainless steel, and the riveted silicone-wrapped handles remain cool even when placed on an open flame. It also comes with a tempered glass lid with steam vents, allowing you to keep an eye on the cooking process. Additionally, it has a thick aluminum bottom that helps distribute heat evenly. What we like: durable 18/10 stainless steel, compatible with all stovetops, dishwasher friendly, compatible with induction cooktops. What we don't like: may not be highly sturdy, may not be true to size. Number 2. Best High Capacity Cuisinart Saucepan and Double Boiler Set. A wonderful tri-ply stainless steel double boiler for preparing sauces and porridges. The set includes a 3-quart saucepan with a tight grip and no-spill lid. Both the pan and pot are designed with heat surround technology that ensures the warmth is evenly distributed for uniform cooking. And as for the handles, they are heat-resistant, and the cookware is also dishwasher-safe. What we like: high-capacity model, no-spill lid, heat-resistant handles, designed with heat surround technology, dishwasher-safe. A saucepan can be used separately. What we don't like: may warp. Number 3. Best Heat Distribution. Farberware Stainless Steel Double Boiler. Oven-safe, induction-safe, and with an aluminum full cap. This double boiler's classic style meets technology and reveals its superior workmanship. It is easy to use, all thanks to its strong, easy grip handle. The stainless steel and aluminum core combination guarantees rapid and uniform heating, compatible with all stovetops. This 2-quart stainless steel double boiler by Farberware, a brand that holds a rich tradition of offering premium quality cookware, is also easy to clean. What we like: classic style meets technology, a trusted brand for decades, superior workmanship, rapid and uniform heat distribution, oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, induction safe, dishwasher safe. What we don't like: may not be durable, might be a bit difficult to clean. Number 4. Best Dishwasher Safe. RSVP International Double Boiler. This cute and compact double boiler is all you need to quickly melt some chocolate, butter, or cheese. Since it has double pour spouts and a flat bottom, it is highly convenient too, though a lot of people worry that steel may warp. This one is made of 18/8 stainless steel and will easily fit in any small-sized pan because of the attached front hook. A must-try for all those who always end up with last-minute melting or steaming. The RSVP International Double Boiler for chocolate could be a great option to add to your kitchen. What we like: small-sized and quick, durable and reliable, highly convenient, dishwasher safe, ideal for steaming, melting, and mixing. What we don't like: not topple-proof. Number 5. Best Drip-Free Cuisinart Universal Double Boiler. Other than melting, double boilers are a great option for people who enjoy eating healthy meals, as it keeps the nutrients of vegetables intact. The Cuisinart Universal Heat-Resistant Double Boiler, for instance, is safe to use, made of top-quality stainless steel material, and guarantees no discoloration or reaction with the food. It has a concave design with riveted handles and a drip-free rim. And as for a tight grip lid, it seals in moisture and flavors beautifully. What we like: seals in nutrients and flavors, does not discolor or alter the flavor, heat-resistant handles, quick and sturdy, drip-free pouring, dishwasher safe. What we don't like: may topple. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.